Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the Watermelon Man by Herbie Hancock. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy guitar community with a free member account or a premium member account. So, Watermelon Man, I arranged it for you. Sounds like this. It's so cool, it's so cool. Can even do the dance in between. And so on. Yeah, the Watermelon Man, it's a really cool arrangement, sounds great, and let's check it out. Alright guys, Watermelon Man is basically a blues in F, and as I said, I arranged it a little bit for you for guitar that it's gonna sound really cool. So let's get started. It starts here with this double stop here, 4th, 2nd fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then you hold this for 5 beats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then hold this. And you have so much time in between, you can make a little vibrato tricks, not vibrator, vibrato. So you can add some vibrato here, or also here. You just press against the guitar and make this movement. So whole thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go up here to B flat. Just the chord here. 8, 7, 6, and then the same figure again. Okay. And then it goes to C. Now, well, let's first play this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now comes the final part. Comes C, you start here, starts into 1, then here in the 10th fret. Now we make a double stop, 9, 8. And here on 10, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then goes the B flat. Here we have 9, 8, 6, 7, here we make lettering. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 times, 3 times. And then go back to this B flat chord, and then you make the ending again. Then you make this one here again. It's really simple. I'm gonna play the whole thing for you. That's the whole thing. It's really simple, and you can make it really do this staccato symmetry, you know. Really make it short, precise, and crispy, and then it's gonna sound awesome. And the best thing is just play with it, as I'm doing here, just with the Fender amp. No effects at all. Yeah, that will be the theme. Okay. When we talk about soloing, I would keep it cool. Even the theme jumps around here with Mixolydian scale and follows the chords. You can keep it simple with the minor pentatonics or the minor blues scale. Let me see what we can do here. What you could do, keep it simple with a minor blues pentatonic, and in between you add the theme. So first you play the theme, and then you start with the theme again, but then you start to break it apart, you know. Start a little bit with the theme, make little fill-ins with the minor blues pentatonics, and that's would be it. Let me show you. First I play the theme. Oops. I talk too much. I play the theme and then a little improvisation by starting the theme and getting into going improvisation. We start with the theme. See? Simple. Theme again. Third chorus, you gotta start to play normal blues. Keep it cool, crisp, and simple. And back to the theme. I will not do too many things on the soloing because since this is a really cool and laid-back song, I would really keep the soloing cool, laid-back, and more connected to the theme than like in any other bluesy thing, okay? So you always can pop in with parts of the theme and then add little fill-ins. And then start again with the theme, and that will be it. Yo guys, Watermelon Man is probably one of the most played songs on any jam session. So if you want to make a long-lasting impression on that tune, personally I think it's so much overplayed that if you play the cool cat there and just play a few notes, you're going to be the go-to guy. Because You know, you can really noodle a lot on this tune, but if you just keep it simple and cool, and also the theme really keep it as simple as possible and as cool and laid back as possible, you know, be a little bit too late. I mean, I just showed you the theme now, but you can also play it more laid back, like this, really laid back. See what I mean? You can stretch the theme and make it more laid back as anybody else, and then you're the go-to guy, because as I said, this tune is really extremely overplayed. And when you listen to the original of Herbie Hancock, even it's now sounds like a jazz funk. The original is more something between pop music, electronic music, and yeah. But at the end, all people play it like a funky thing. Yo, one more to say. If you want to download the backing track plus the tabs of the theme, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a free member account, but to download the stuff you need a premium member account. One more to say, that's all. That's my only social media feed I'm doing, so get there. Also connect with the other peoples there in the academy. We talk with each other and we're building up a little guitar community there. So see you guys.